Hello friends, this is my second video on corona. We will try to understand how corona attacks our body and against that our body reacts. Friends, this is a chemical tag of war. So come and see what mechanism is hidden inside this chemical tag of wars. Our immune system consists of basically two types of defense mechanism which God have provided to us. Our immune system consists of first innate immune system. This is also called non-specific or non-adaptive type of immune system. In this immune system, a man born with some of the basic type of protective and defense mechanisms such as skin, hairs, sweat glands, sebaceous glands, saliva, hydrochloric acid in our stomach, and some special type of cells called malt PMNL cells and also complement protein system, and this is called innate type of immune system. Monocytes, macrocytes, leukocytes, neutrophils, these are basic type of fighters, cellular fighters, you can say cellular fighters, which our body develops from very childhood when a man born with. Histamine is a very special type of glycoprotein which is secreted by some macrocytes and monocytes in response of mast cells. Mast cells basically release histamine. This is a common type of the chemical which is responsible for allergic reactions and try to control it. This will be discussed later. How allergy develops in our body and what is the basic facts. Today I have come to discuss some of the facts about the immune system and how we can protect immune systems. Second type of immune system, which is quite a strong type of immune system, friends, is called adaptive type of immune system. Yeah, acquired immune system. You can understand it. This is a type which is developed after vaccination, which is done in very childhood when we people are born. Second type, which is adaptive type, which is developed by vaccination, and vaccination was a major event in the human life system, which was discovered by Edward Jenner and Louis Pasteur demonstrated successfully it, taking two chickens and food poisoning viruses. This will you can see on Google. So adaptive or acquired immune system basically consists of CMI. This is also called cell mediated immunity and humoral. HUMORIL. Humoral. Humoral is a special type of body fluids Yes, friends, try to understand. Body fluids. Body fluids may include, we have listened on TV channels, the plasma. Yes, plasma. Plasma is a basic type of fluid which is present in our serum of the blood. Like that, like that, serum protein, plasma protein, and complement proteins. These are the quite strong type of protein which fall under humoral immune system. Even blood and lymph, lymph, lymph. This is colorless, viscous fluid. These fluid come together in humoral type of immunity. Antibody, yes, yes, antibody. You might have listened the antibody. Chemically, this is called immunoglobulin. Immunoglobulin, and short term it is written capital I and G, capital I and G, small g or capital G, in both terms this is written. This is a immunoglobulin. So humoral immune system under CMI have antibodies. Just you have listened from myself, and it is basically of five types, uh, named immunoglobulin A, immunoglobulin D, immunoglobulin E, immunoglobulin G, immunoglobulin M. Five types, basically five types. Immunoglobulin G have a major contribution in our humoral immunity or acquired immunity. Yes, overall, this is almost 65 to 75% control mechanism this develops. IgA, immunoglobulin A, is responsible to control our eye-related structure and functions. IgD controls bone health. IgE to epithelial tissues, muscles, and skin. IgM to melanocytes, pigmentations of our body color, which is also responsible for immune development. So far, CMI is concerned, cell mediated immunity. Yes, yes, right, listen. Cell mediated immunity. Cell mediated immunity involves B lymphocytes and T lymphocytes. Yes, B stand for a type of cell which is developed by our bone marrow tissues. Bone marrow tissues. And this is called B cells, B cytotoxic cells. This is quite important type of cells so far our body immune system is concerned, because B lymphocyte B lymphocyte are involved in the development of types of antibodies which I have discussed earlier. Yes, and another category is T lymphocytes. T lymphocytes is a modified form of lymphocytes, and developed by thymus gland. Thymus gland is situated in our sternum of the chest. Yes, T lymphocytes. T lymphocytes basically are of three types. Three types. The first, T helper. Second, T sensitive. And third, T killer cells. Killer cells can be macrocytes and monocytes. Okay. Overall, these listed defense warriors are important to protect our body. But in the other hand, viruses, bacteria, fungi, variety of germs have also developed to invade our immune system. What is nature's gift to humans and to the germs? Okay, nature is so merciful, and try to protect all the creatures, even which cannot be seen by naked eyes or giant creatures on the earth. This is a food chain related event. Nature have given boon to all the creatures. So we must respect all the creatures, even it is harmful or useful. This depends over human beings how it tackles and control the behavior of harmful and useful uh, creatures on the earth. So come to know about attacking mechanism of viruses. Viruses can be classified basically of two types. One less harmful, another most harmful. Most harmful group of viruses are also called retroviruses in biological terms. Biology teachers, biology students are already know about the retroviruses. Retroviruses have a strong genome or genetic materials. Genome or genetic materials. Yes. And genetic material of viruses are protected by many layers of the hard chemicals, uh, non-invadable chemicals. So this outer layer of viruses was either papillomas or capsomas, papillomas or capsid and capsoma, two basically. Capsids are present in normal viruses, plant viruses, animal viruses. Otherwise, papillomas along with the capsid are present in retro group of viruses. Retro group of viruses have single stranded RNA genetic material, as a genetic material. Outermost layer, which is called papillomas, consists of glycolipid, lipoprotein, yes, lipid, fats, yes, my dear, fats, yes, and many preventions suggest that hand wash with soap, yes, soaps have detergents, and detergents consist of lipase, which destroy and damage oil and fats, lipids. Then outer part of viruses are broken by lipases or soap or sanitizers like alcohol and etc. So their genetic material is made open by hand washing and alcohol treatment and treatment by ultraviolet radiations. In the first lecture, I have discussed how ultraviolet radiations and how many ultraviolet radiations and most effective form of ultraviolet radiations can attack, damage virus. So this is another thing. So this is beyond our discussion of today. We have to discuss about the attacking mechanism of viruses and the defense mechanism of our body. And lastly, we will conclude. Right? So helper T cells collect all the informations of germs like bacteria, like fungi, like viruses, and information collected by the T helper cells be provided to B lymphocytes. So B lymphocytes, in the presence of informations provided by helper T cells, basically do two works. Two works. First, prepare its clone, prepares its clone, and clone was called memory cells. Yes, memory cells. Memory cells are part of the secondary immunity, and this gives whole life protection from childhood, death of oldness, after senescence of the body. So B lymphocytes produce memory cells, and second mechanism of B lymphocytes function is to produce antibodies. Yes, yes, antibodies. B lymphocytes produce antibodies. Antibodies consist of two heavy chain of proteins and two light chains. Light chain consists of a type of carbohydrate, oligosaccharides, and proteins. Proteins and a carbohydrate together constitute a Y-shaped structure. Y-shaped structure. Y-shaped structure. Yes. At their distal and terminal parts, which is called N-terminal or N-terminus, have antigenic determinants. This is site in terms of biology, in terms of medical science, and through this, it captures active sites of viruses. This mechanism can be compared with a lock key mechanism. Yes, lock key mechanism. So, a vaccine develops antibody of very special type, antibody of antigen specific types. Yes, yes. This is a type of lock and key. Yes. So, if our immune system is quite strong variety of antibodies and layer of commandos. In other words, you can say commandos. Yes, yes. Military fighters, fightermen, snipers. Yes, our body. Sorry to say, our body developed as a defense mechanism. Yes. I am trying to share some of the biological facts in common language and terms. And after listening my speech lecture, perhaps you will appreciate it and will like to share and subscribe my channel. This is a YouTube channel. Yes, a series of common problems of our society. I will try and I am trying to understand and to inform and to share our friends of our society. Sorry. Sorry. I would like to show you a image which is placed in the video recording. You can pause my video and you can share and you can read, you can try to understand the structure structural organization of viruses and structural organization of antibodies and final a lock and key mechanism I have given in the videos. Okay, along with the footages, videos, images collected with the help of Google browser and Google Chrome under the copyright free images. Yes, because this is for human benefits. I have taken figures, images, footage from the Google and I am sharing it with the YouTube. Yes, YouTube. Yes, thank you. Lastly, I will like to share the cycle of coronavirus and cycles of coronavirus and some of the hidden facts perhaps which you people do not know that I was watching television, and one thing was being discussed over all the channels today, and that was development of vaccines worldwide. This is uh, today a horrific problem, no doubt, but scientists are involved, medical students are involved in the development of vaccines. Vaccines. In my opinion, this is matter of laughter. Yes, I can say, I can dare to say, you people, that this is matter of laughter because 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 of some of the facts which is in our society that vaccines for polio, which is effective. Yes, I can I can accept this is effective, but vaccines for other types of diseases have gone false. Yes, thalassemia, sickle cell anemia, and blindness, color blindness, like uh, food poisoning, flu fever, malaria, like there are no vaccines. Because one thing which could happen with the understanding is that viruses have a very, not only viruses but other microbes also have very special type of genetic composition. Yes, very special. Just like that, you have a special features which cannot be shared by any other people. This is known by your personality. Your personality. Yes, like that. Viruses have, bacteria and other microbes have specific personalities. Yes, specific personality, and these personalities we cannot understand. They understand itself. Viruses can understand itself. In terms of genetic study, it is a genetic code. Yes, code crypted, encrypted. What you might have listened, cryptation, crypted, word crypted, crypted, encrypted, word encryptation. Yes. So these genetic codes are encrypted. Yes, and viruses and bacteria try to reform in every 20 to 30 minutes. Yes, yes, 20 to 30 minutes. They try to uh, change itself because they also try to develop defense mechanism. Yes. At a time, a vaccine which is made in the informations collected from the type of microvirus, coronavirus, bacteria, but as we develop vaccine, viruses after 30 minutes and multiple of 30 minutes changes its genetic material. So vaccine which is developed today cannot be effective furthermore. A common example of penicillin, you might have listened, penicillin which was discovered by Alexander Fleming in 1945, and for this Alexander Fleming, Chen and Florey, three scientists, were awarded Nobel Prize. Yes, in 1945. This was the this was the prehistoric event. Discovery of antibiotic, first antibiotic, which was developed from they were developed from from fungi. Penicillin, you might have listened penicillin, but after its invention, its discovery, it did not work for longer because bacteria of that time was effective against that, sensitive, but after few months and years, they develop a new genetic code over which penicillin was inactive. No doubt, today penicillin remain again have been found active because A to Z words and assigned to many words and sentences. Over it start repetition of words. Okay, sir. So vaccines for the time being can help to control COVID of one form only, but after a couple of weeks, I, in my opinion, viruses will reform by reforming its genetic codes and genetic material. So, vaccine of today will not be effective more for. So, I am trying to explain and share with you friends that the only way, this is a type of this is a type of blind eyes that we are not trying to understand the main. तो कहते हैं ना भूत खड़ा है, हम आंखें बंद करके खड़े हैं तो भूत भाग जाता है ऐसे समझते हैं. नो नो नो, ऐसा नहीं है. तो इन माई ओपिनियन we should have to live for viruses. We have to learn how we can manage our lifestyle with the viruses. So one major thing in this video, I would like to share that our good health and hygiene and a strong immunity is the only measure that can control corona and four coming viruses and diseases, epidemic or pandemic diseases. Children of today are fond of eating, having, chewing variety of market foods, junk foods. This is major issue that hampers our immune system from many sides. Yes, yes. Children of today do not listen their parents, and they are involved in eating market food. They avoid taking food prepared by his or her mom at the home. So this will discuss, sir, friends, in other videos. This is for initiation. One thing I like to show my gratefulness to Mr. KPS Bakshi living in Ranchi, because he several times inspired me to prepare some of the notes and videos over the current topics. Thank you. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. This is Indie Tech Biotech channel on YouTube.